Hi guys, we're now here in Starbucks Makapagal. Just took the Ducati out for a quick ride within the city. Ito yung time na one of those days na masaya mag-ikot sa city dahil walang traffic eh. Undas. It's either everyone's in the cemetery, pero I have a feeling mas marami people who are usually stuck in traffic. Most of them are probably out of town, and this is the time sila nagbabakasyonan. So, sarap lang sarap mag-ikot-ikot. Walang tao, tahimik ang Manila, no traffic. Ang lahat ng tao most likely decided to be in Starbucks here kasi pagdating ko dito sa Starbucks, grabe, it took me 20-25 minutes just to order, and then another 10-15 minutes to get my order. Which is not typical when you go to a Starbucks. Usually you get your order within 15 minutes. But dami tao. I guess wala sila mapuntahan or after nag-visit sa cemetery dito pumunta. So 2024, I just realized our Ducati is now been 3 years with us. It's now 3 years. And can't help but think, dapat na ba magpalit ng bike? Pero every time I think about it, wala akong maisip kung anong pwede ipalit eh. Within that price range I was willing, the closest I have to something I want na kino-consider ko was the Triumph Speed Twin 1200. Pero iba pa rin kasi itong Hyperstrada eh. It has that little adventure look. With the bags, it's good for touring. If you want to just remove the bags, it's speed around the city. It's perfect. It's nimble. If you want power, it's there. It's 100 plus horsepower. Hindi ka mabibitin sa lakas. And for my size, I'm not tall. Remember, I'm not tall. I'm barely above 5'7", and this bike just sits perfect for me. I looked at the Multistrada, ang laki, para akong kinakain ng motor eh. And then there's also the thing about, marami maiinis dito eh, pero I'm trying to avoid the Japanese bikes eh. Not that they are not reliable, not that they don't look good, not that they are not fast. They just, what's the term? They're just too good. Or that's not the word. Not too good. Too reliable. Yung wala na siyang, it does what you want it to do, but it doesn't do it with panache or with, The ownership of the Ducati has its up and down. I'm telling you. For something that has not really been used. Remember, this Ducati is less than 15,000 kilometers parang tinatakbo. What has been changed already? I've changed the tires. I've replaced the starter. I've replaced or at least added something to the clutch. My clutch cable already gave up. Pa ba? When I tried to add the horn, the system, the electronics just went haywire. Pero every time you ride it, ang saya. It gives you that smile that I haven't gotten when I tried riding any Japanese. I tried a lot of Japanese, especially within that class. So somewhere between the mid class. I don't like a big, and I'm not talking about hyper bikes also. Remember the sports bike, the hyper. I'm not into those. So I'm looking at the midweight, either adventure or standard. But I just find a lot of them. So let's look at the options. Honda has the Transalp. It's okay. Then they have the Hornet 750, which is too modern looking, but not modern enough. Parang ganon. And then the Kawasaki, you have basically the 650. The 650, you have the Versys, you have the Z650. I also looked at na pwede is the Z900 RS because of the look. Medyo guwapo. Inline 4 pa, nice sounding. And it has that retro look. Yun yung pwede if ever the Japanese. Then you have the Suzuki, the new 800cc. I don't know. I can't get to like the look of it. No, the V-Strom 650, too off-roady. Parang hindi bagay sa city. Yamaha, the Yamaha, the XSR 900 is a consideration. Yun, pwede. But nalilito ko sa itsura kasi na XSR 900 eh. Though it has a round headlight to give you that retro feel, but other than that part and the color scheme, especially the blue and the gold, parang nothing screams retro eh. As compared to the Z900 RS, yun makikita mo talagang retro. Diba? Pero this is something, owning a Japanese bike, I guess it's like that saying, you're in a bare minimum na relationship. Alam mo yung boyfriend or yung girlfriend mo na wala namang maling ginagawa. It's always just barely enough to call it a relationship. Gives you just enough communication, enough lambing. Pero wala kang makitang fault. Pero hindi ka masaya. Diba? I saw that in one of the memes na that's the worst type of relationship na tipong wala kayong adventure, wala kayong spontaneity because everything is barely minimum And I think ganun din yung when it comes to owning a Japanese bike. It doesn't break down. It does what you want it to do, but wala yung excitement. Well, this is my opinion. Huwag kayo mainis and try to defend your Japanese bike. I know you guys love your Japanese bikes. I'm not arguing with what your choice is. This is my personal choice. Kaya hirap na hirap ako makaharap ng kapalit nitong Ducati because the size, the enough na it has character, it has the quirkiness, it's so unpredictable, pati yung power niya is so unpredictable. Minsan di mo alam, biglang lalakas. It gives me excitement every time I ride it. Kaya, well, I guess we're here to keep it a little bit longer until I find something that gives me the same excitement as the Ducati. But hopefully not the same sakit ng ulo that I've been having with this. But yun nga lang no matter anong sakit ng ulo ko with this, I end up always with a smile when I ride it. Kaya everything is forgiven and forgotten kaagad as soon as you start it and you ride it out. Ganun talaga. Okay, guys. And since my motorcycle's been 3 years, so I guess our vlog is close to 3 years already because I remember starting the vlog when I got the Ducati also. So thank you very much to everyone who have liked and subscribed, and hopefully if this is your first time here, to please do like and subscribe. Okay, bye.